Hello guys and welcome to our channel Fact Sisters. Today we are going to tell you about the Catatumbo lightning. At least 300 days of a year, a vast raging storm forms at the mouth of the Catatumbo River. Its lightning, unequaled in strength, can be seen from 250 miles away and was used as a navigational beacon by colonial states. The lightning changes frequency throughout the year and it is different from year to year. For example, it ceased from January to March 2010, apparently due to drought, leading to speculation that it might have been extinguished permanently. Lightning storms are a beautiful but also quite scary atmospheric phenomenon. The bright bolts are triggered when the electric activity is particularly abundant during a storm. The longest and the most intense lightning storm recorded lasted for hours on end and occurred in Los Angeles, 9 July 1999. The highest rate of lightning storms was recorded in Venezuela, close to the Maracaibo Lake, with 232 lightnings per year and square kilometers.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.